Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly press on the subscribe button and also press on the notification bell to receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell tokens in your Phantom wallet. So let's dive into the video. So in the previous session, I showed you how to use the screener to be able to find coins that can do 100x and buy in your Phantom wallet, especially coins in the Solana blockchain. So in this session, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell these coins in your Phantom wallet. So for example, let's take it that for example, I want to buy this coin in here. The name of the coin is called Jerry. So I want to buy Jerry in here. So what you need to do is that you need to copy the contract address. So I've copied the contract address. Now what you need to do is that you need to go to your Phantom wallet. So let's access the Phantom wallet. So whatever I'm going to do in here, the same thing I'm doing on my laptop, that's the same thing you are going to do on your phone. It's the same thing, right? So to dive in, you press on Phantom wallet. So this is my Phantom wallet on my laptop, and I have to key in my password, right? So I'm keying in my password, right? So I'm done. So now I've accessed my Phantom wallet, and now I have about some $17 in my Phantom wallet, and I want to use this $17 to buy this coin that I just found, which is called Jerry. So for you to buy it, you need to go to this browser session. So whatever I'm doing in here, that's the same thing you would do on your phone. So you press on this browser session. When you press on it, right, what you need to do is that you need to press on Jupiter. So you press on Jupiter Exchange. So you press on Jupiter. So when you press on Jupiter, a window like this will appear. When this window appears, what you need to do basically is just follow what I'm doing here, then you'll be able to buy. So you see in here, you are paying, and you will see to receive. So for you to buy, where you are paying, you need to select the place that you have your money. So I have my money in what? Solana. So I'll press on the USDC, and here I will press on what? SOL, S-O-L, or Solana in here. Then where you have to receive, you press on the USDC, and you will paste the address that you've copied in Dex Screener, or the contract address that you've copied from Dex Screener or from the token. Then you paste it here. So when you paste it, the name of the token is going to appear. So the name of the token is called Jerry, right? So now what you need to do basically in here is to press on it. When you press on it, the coin will appear here. So for instance, I want to buy this coin with, let's take it at $15 or $12. So when you press 1 in here, you type 1 in here, because my money is in Solana. So when I type 1, they will tell me insufficient. So what you need to do basically is, the amount of money that I have here is 0.123 SOL. So I have to key it in here to be able to figure out how much $12 or $10 will be, or $15. So I type 0.05. So 0.05 will give me $6.94. So now I can type maybe 0.9. 0.9 will give me what? $12. So I want to use $12 to buy this coin. So when you type in 0.09, it will show the number of tokens that you are going to get with 0.09, right? So I'm going to get with 0.09, which is $12. I'm going to get about 565,397 Jerry tokens. So when you are done, then you press on what? Swap. So when you press on swap, you'll be able to, you have to wait for some time, and with this swap, what you need to do is that it will send a notification to your wallet for you to approve whether if they should take the money out of your wallet to buy the coin or not. So it's in here. So I just press on confirm. So when you press on confirm, you see in here that they have in here processing transaction. So transaction confirmed. So now I've been able to buy the coin in my Phantom wallet. So now you have to access your Phantom wallet. So let's access our Phantom wallet. So you go back to your wallet and see if you've been able to buy the coin. So when you come here, you can see that I've been able to use the $12 to buy the Jerry coin in here. Let's take it that Jerry coin has made me a lot of gains. I've made money from the Jerry coin, and I want to sell I want to take my profit. All what you need to do is that you need to do opposite of what you did to be able to buy this coin. So what you need to do is that you go back to the browser. When you go back to the browser, you go back to Jupiter. When you go back to Jupiter, a window is going to open like this. You connect your wallet. I've already connected my wallet. So this time you are paying will be what? Jerry. So when you have you are paying, you press on it and you type in here, you look for Jerry, because now Jerry is not showing in here. So let me just type Jerry in here, right? So the same thing, whatever I'm doing in here, that's the same thing that you are going to do on your phone. So this is a Jerry with the number of tokens I have displaying in here. So I press on the Jerry. When I press on the Jerry, I will now press, if I want to take half of the profit, I press on half. But if I want to take all the money out, I press on max. So I want to take all the money out, so I'll press on max. You can either swap to Solana or swap to USDC, right? You know that Solana is a coin, so it appreciates and depreciates. But USDC is a stable coin, so it doesn't appreciate or depreciate. If it is $10, it will still remain $10, right? So for example, I want to swap my money back to Solana. So I press on max, then I will press on what? Swap. So when I press on swap, then I will have to confirm the transaction in my wallet. So now it's loading, so I can confirm. So let me confirm. Then they will say in here processing transaction in here. I wait for some time. I want to see transaction confirmed, which is confirmed. Then now I've been able to do it. But anytime that you are done, make sure you disconnect your wallet. So you come in here at the topmost corner and you press disconnect wallet. So I've disconnected my wallet. So now let's go back to the wallet to see if I've been able to sell it back to Solana. So you can see that I've been able to sell the Jerry tokens I bought back to Solana. I've taken my profit. So this is a tutorial on basically how to buy and sell tokens in your Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful.